Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel flavorsalt.com. Today, we're diving into something super delicious and nutrient-packed almond butter substitutes. If you're like me and just can't get enough of that creamy goodness, but want to shake things up a bit, you're in the right place. Almond butter is fantastic, full of healthy fats, protein, and vitamins, but sometimes you just want a little variety, right? So grab your toast, smoothies, or whatever else you love, and let's get this journey started. Alright, first up on our list, sunflower seed butter. This one's such a game changer. If you're dealing with nut allergies or just want to try something different, this is your buddy. It's creamy, slightly sweet, and jam-packed with vitamin E, magnesium, and beneficial fats. Spread it on toast, dip your bananas, or just go in with a spoon. No judgment here. And pro tip, if you swirl in some honey or cinnamon, oh man, it takes it to the next level. Your taste buds will thank me later. Next on our list is an absolute classic, peanut butter. It's been a staple in households forever, and let's face it, there's a reason for it. Packed with protein and essential nutrients, it's super versatile. I love using it in smoothies for that extra creaminess, or just straight up with some banana slices. Peanut butter banana sandwich? Yes, please. Now, let's talk about cashew butter. This one's a little more on the creamy side, and man, is it to die for. It's lower in fat than almond butter, but still full of protein and minerals. I love drizzling this over my morning oats, or mixing it into nice cream. Honestly, who needs ice cream when you have cashew butter? This stuff is life-changing. Alright, nut lovers, hazelnut butter is up next. You might know it from that famous chocolate spread, but let me tell you, on its own, it's a nutty dream. It's loaded with healthy fats and antioxidants. Blend it with some cocoa powder, banana, and plant milk, and you've got yourself a chocolatey, smooth, indulgent treat that feels a bit fancy. Perfect for a post-workout boost or a guilty-free dessert. Last but not least, let's not sleep on seed butters. This includes pumpkin seed butter, chia seed butter, and more. Great for those who are avoiding nuts entirely. These little guys come with their own benefits. For instance, pumpkin seed butter packs a punch with zinc and iron. You can spread it on toast. So there you have it, my top amazing almond butter substitutes for a nutrient-rich journey. Whether you're looking for something nutty, smooth, or unique, there's something for everyone. And remember, it's all about mixing it up and finding what you love the most. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more yummy adventures. What's your favorite nut or seed butter? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out with me. Until next time, happy tasting and keep exploring those flavors. Bye.